Hello and welcome in my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, I'm reviewing the RAK 1, a new, innovative 3-in-1 cycling stand that challenges convention. This stand is the future of cycling, stands with its trailblazing design, multipurpose functionality, and space-saving features. If you're a serious cyclist, you know that biking requires discipline, endurance, and a willingness to take risks. And if you mean it, it'll show not just in the looks of your bike and equipment, but also in the baddest display only an innovative cycling stand can help you with. The RAK 1 is revolutionary, innovative, and awe-inspiring. It transforms from a floor stand to a repair stand or wall mount in seconds, making it a cutting-edge stand that combines form and function. Are you tired of multiple stands taking up valuable space? Do you want the convenience that comes with not managing 3 different stands? RAK 1 was designed and created for the most adventurous cyclist out there, you. It's a versatile, sturdy, and easy-to-use stand that does what every individual stand already does, combined. Plus, it's cost-effective, easier to set up, compatible with your bike, and you can easily pack it along for a weekend ride. With the RAK 1, you finally have it all. A versatile, sturdy, easy-to-use stand that simplifies storage when not in use and reduces the stress of routine maintenance. From a floor stand to a repair stand or wall mount, the versatility of RAK 1 has you covered. And here's the best part. The RAK 1 is available in a variety of color options to suit your unique style. It was born out of a need for top-of-the-line cycling stands that would perfectly complement your premium bike. Whether you're a professional cyclist or simply enjoying that weekend session, this stand is engineered to accommodate your lifestyle. So, if you want to unleash your cycling potential with a sleek stand that breaks the mold, head over to the link in the description below to buy the RAK 1. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, IKnowGadgets, for more innovative and exciting gadget reviews.